Koden, ye be koye juma. Na ya koswa ye juma, na ya se ni ameni be de be sesa. Aden na menko she t-shirt. And make a demonstration. And one on starting here, everybody please come out. There is 65% interest that the people not want a, so please come out. Everybody, I don't have a neck, but come out. Me ko ni na ira, mumbabu ami o na de na jinsem. Say they mean to me o, NDC for na mama wu. And one year start to cough red. You know, sa foolish guy we friend say, shady media say why me wa. Say ono na ye contractor. A disappointed deportee. He says, "Some person with Jimia or be organized by Samau. Now, only money na ako." He said, "Dear Ghana, Belbunu na nanka sebe ye pese onumbo ebenya TVET free education kono. Sa Belbunu numbo evrade nyankopon pa se Ghana oh." Uni, for me, this is what I believe. Or this is what I think. Say free education. Oh, say etokoso. I'm telling you, NDC will be found wanting. They will be found very, very, very well. Okay? Ghanaians showed something small to NDC people. Now, show me. Let me tell you something. There are some people I speak with them and they tell you, "Oh, Bra Felix, no credit." I mean, near me more than kakra, but they compare the in the first now. And not the a ye kakra. Oh, just as he say no, and this for no do mwaji winter idea and to sacra. Almost a sanity. And this for the mwaji winter no, idea and to sacra almost a sanity. But that doesn't mean say we are going to what? We are going to sit down and give our votes to NDC. One nurse friend that I have was a question to GD pass a Ghana for better about Maham. Maybe I'm the different candidates, but they are. But Mahama apparently, I don't think say they will vote for Mahama say on BDN because come on, I see what did the man do? I was a nurse, I couldn't get my pay. I was this, I couldn't get this. Like this man didn't do anything. Also on my yana sometimes who send Crawford bomb Mohammedia say now come join Sanka by now there and come be fan name be a grumu. But I say Mahama. It pains say anytime you like talk about NDC and the only option it seems they have is Mahama. And we have his hand records. We saw what he did. We even thought say Okotna opposition kakri and Kenyansa kakraba sebe. But also there be oba jaya ifo no galem say for na gum no mo fa makri enko huru susuo no say yensuo na yenuanom nko no omumba enkonya deformity. Or say I feel cry the campaign for no crown or the excavated. This is somebody who has been a president too. And his only reason for doing this, they say, ye Chinese for na ye jao. Say, you are a president too. Have you forgotten? When you caught the same people, Utie, when you caught the same Chinese people, Mahama, what did you do with them? Did you also let them go? Did you give some of them long stays? In this, I say we no much no mujao, and now we have to where the president da. I don't get it. Papa Burger on Accra FM. Accra FM now be free a Jimmy for radio station. I say remember I made oh, where delete it? Me oh me try CD. Oh nyahwe me try CD kura me pe. Arabana mu no say apro wewu mana pro tinetwa CD anya hwe e de nyame asese wo maame wonu woni twa CD ni bi no ye bodamfo na sebe wode ne de ato na pampam chema NDC fo a polling station agent for they do maame wo mo nko an no de bibi sa beba ke oye jomo oba wie foolishly on somebody platform, especially when he's telling you the truth. Government is going to change your life. It is a lie. Government only brings policies. Government only brings policies. So it is up to you, the responsible citizenry, to tap into those policies, transform your fucking life. When Jimmy Dodo, Okoka ni eja, Okoka ni etuho ni eja. As someone me can soon in no credit. Sabi, chairman, come here na makotro bibi na me kind NCDA. Mahama was made the vice president. As a matter of fact, we were sleeping when he woke us one day and told us, say, hey, listen, say you're vice president, you're why lucky pie, and I believe, say, star statement, no crown at a news, woo, no, a convincing, so Debbie, Unipana, no, hodada. No, so do okay, Papa Manaye, when I tell me and Tuanos and I go cry, go for the or baby, could be waste. And God spiritually, more just spirituality than a number my dear, whether you are Muslim or Christian or traditionally. Let me show you something. There is something called test. And so, when you're coupon or shed that the baby kakramau, now what so be to me a handler, now what 2 more. That is why they say, he would not give you something you cannot what? You cannot handle. Paul, God will not give you something you cannot what? You cannot handle. So, when we went to the elections, me, as some way I'm making, I was just somewhere, Ghana for the Nanfan me, but me minimobia. No, yeah, Juma, I will easy. Charlotte say any papa o kromwa me kwana mnim se Charlotte say no wa be nante Canada ha for that long me feel so be go school keke no koye na sa no o just say wa be tena Canada ha kakra told me say truly 2016 NDC did not win that election away do you want me to call court no 2013 there no they didn't win. Do you want me to call courts no man win? Do you want me to bat 2016? So they didn't win, but they were forcing things to say. And Charlotte say me day, and declare for Mahama. Yes. Now, my imagine ko see bibi so. I'm a who said they are onipane can be no crowd because Mobekaya na no say to you and 4 friends say ombema address no. That time no na nakoka say oh, yeah him for no. Say na se party for no to abananta wantawa ba ya ne yegina mfimfin na yatumi asevu na last kura na nsan ya de ya Mahama ene ya yiko yi ka ono nana amba mu bia e bia nka de besi enye didn't na no say tutu oti kokko so opim so didn't he say these things enye no na ma Julius Debranom eko didi otumfo atem say otumfo ye trofo sabe nana manu sisumina so meboa. He didn't win. But 2013 was a test for Mahama for him to show to his own self. One now was CSR the and why dear. Now, Mr. Solomon, same way, it breaks my heart. Say the real intellectuals are they know how policies and countries work. No, yes, the chroma they don't even care about what works and what doesn't work. All they care about they say you did their main. There is no future, there is no tomorrow, has to be today. Somebody becomes a president 1 year after becoming president. He runs to IMF, listen, and listen again. Not to go and borrow money to come and fix the country. No. No. I keep telling you people, say, you people should stop these things. You people should stop these things. One call IMF, say, IMF, hey, here's say, Eddie fix Ghana. That is not what Mahama went for. Mahama said, yen to me ndi yehuni. Yen to me say yahusunti ya tuwesi ya kasi ya beri ayi brodia 6 ya yehudi ya beya ni ya kori 80. Enti sadi